Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to check your target gift card balance. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to open any browser and you need to type like target gift card balance. Okay, and once you enter this detail, you will see this kind of option, check gift card balance. You need to enter this, you need to select this option, but make sure you should have at least one target account. Okay, if you don't have, you need to create your account. Okay, without creating account you are not able to see your card balance, or you are not able to use any kind of gift card balance. Okay, so once you created your account and once you enter your, you can like details, once you logged in into your target account, then you will visit on this page, check gift card balance. And once you are on this page, you will see this kind of option. You need to enter your card number, you need to enter your SS number, which is printed on the back side of your card, or if you have any kind of e-card, then the details is available in your email. Okay, and once you enter your details, you can click on check balance, and by using this way you can easily check your target gift card balance. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.